We love a good ponytail, and I'm gonna show you two really easy ones. We're gonna start with our more sleek ponytail. So we're going to gather our hair at the nape of our neck, and we're just gonna smooth it all out. I like to do this with a comb because it just helps get all of the little pieces in place. And don't forget to smooth the underneath side as well. I'm gonna take a clear elastic and I'm gonna go ahead and secure that into a ponytail. I like to use a clear elastic because it disappears when you do the next step. But you do wanna make sure that you're getting one that's strong and gonna hold your hair throughout the day. The next thing we're gonna do is we're going to create a small hole in the center. And we're going to flip this through. So we're gonna take it through the top. We're gonna tuck that ponytail through. This is gonna create a really beautiful twisted look. We're just gonna tighten that up and then loosen this section. And we'll do that just by lightly pulling tiny sections. The second hairstyle, we are going to do a little higher of a ponytail. So we're gonna take all of this hair and we're gonna start pushing it upwards. This is gonna be our more voluminous ponytail. Now I'm going to take a comb and just smooth out any bumps or tangles. I have little new growth coming in, which is amazing, but we always have to smooth them down. So just kind of leave them and we will take care of them in just a little bit. I'm gonna secure this with a clear elastic. We're gonna take right above our ponytail and we are just going to slide our finger down through and create a little hole for our ponytail to flip through. This is going to create so much volume. So now that we've done that, we're gonna take it and we're gonna flip it underneath through our ponytail. And then we're just gonna tighten it up. We're gonna take some styling cream and go ahead and smooth out those hairs that are just flying away from us. I'm gonna take a good bit. And I'm just going to start placing it on mostly the sides because that's where I have the most flyaways. And I also want that to be the most sleek. We'll just do a tiny bit on the top. Now I'm gonna take my little styling comb and I'm just going to really smooth that out. Hope you loved these looks and I can't wait to see you try them.